Good morning. Johnny in Ontario wants me to do a video on how to make Santa strawberries. Start with a strawberry, not a bloody big, just a regular strawberry, one of these baby ones. Cut the bottom off him, cut the top off him. Needs to be a little bit hollow. If he's not hollow, hollow him out. You have a mix already done up. Cream cheese, caster sugar, and either vanilla essence, which I've used in this one, or the juice of a lemon, half a lemon. You mix that up in advance. Wash your hands before you do this, Johnny. Santa's head. That's Santa's beard. It's a bit untidy today. That's Santa's hat. This is why you wash your hands before you do it. Because sometimes you need to use your fingers to get him right. It certainly helps to be using your fingers to do this bit right. And for eyes, we've used a couple of chive seeds, and that's Santa. And that's Santa up close.